TopCare HVAC proudly offers the Daikin DMVT Air Handler, a reliable solution for year-round home comfort. Featuring a variable speed ECM motor, factory-installed thermal expansion valve, and eco-friendly R32 refrigerant, the DMVT delivers efficient airflow, quieter operation, and enhanced cooling and heat pump performance. Its multi-position ducted design provides flexible installation for a wide range of homes. Upgrade your comfort with the Daikin DMVT Air Handler. Contact TopCare HVAC today to learn more.